After 2 years of record performances through FY19 and FY20, Bacardi India had great momentum behind its business. We were in an awesome place. Great plans for FY21. Another year's growth was envisaged, plus 21%. What happened? COVID hit us. After a slow start to the year with Q1, we are back with a bang in Q2, and we are looking to grow our business in Q3 and Q4. How is this possible? Because we are all going to be all in our best collaborative way ever. Let's do this, guys.
Bacardi India, we firmly believe that we grow and prosper along with the communities we serve. And when the state government began to support their COVID-19 efforts, our team got going. Within a week, we had managed to secure the required production license for hand sanitizers and delivered 15,000 liters to district hospital nearby.
The advocacy team sprung into action by keeping consumer at the heart of everything and hosted a number of online training sessions on their Instagram and Facebook in their own unique signature style. They also hosted a number of sessions for bartenders as well as our own premiums. We were able to adapt to the situation and host our first ever virtual Grey Goose House of Change for bartenders across the country. Overall, the advocacy team was all in to hold the laurels up for the fantastic portfolio of brands we have by keeping consumer at the heart of everything.
While the entire world was under lockdown due to the current pandemic situation, it gave us as an opportunity to evolve our brand platforms, keeping consumers at the heart of everything we do, which meant bringing experiences to people, connecting the offline and online worlds, delivering new formats of engagement from the comfort of their homes. And that saw the evolution of Bacardi L7 Weekender, the happiest music festival, into a virtual experience, Bacardi L7 Weekender, Happy at Home.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to our first ever virtual conference.
The crisis management team of Bacardi India ensured that we had a comprehensive back-together plan for your safety while safeguarding our business. Our regional CMT teams ensured that the factories, sales warehouses and offices were properly sanitized and other hygiene measures were implemented as per the guidelines.
After the lockdown, when the markets opened, our sales primos reached out to our customers. It was not easy. Also, at the same time, the government had imposed a COVID tax which impacted our business. But this does not deter our never say die attitude of our sales team. From a decline of 60-70% in May, we are actually now onto a growth. However, we are now entering into a very big quarter. While our plans are ready, but I think more importantly, this never say die attitude of our sales primos and the Bacardi spirit that we have demonstrated will help us to cross the line.
They say the show must go on, and this holds true for at least the commercial team who are there in the market to interact with the customers as well as the consumers. So I think this Primo Care package rolled out by Bacardi has been in limelight. You know, a point of discussion within the industry and outside of industry where people have thought that this package was great in terms of Primo Care.
We have a huge second half of the year in front of us. And just to give you a context, the NSP we've done in the first half of the year, we have to almost triple it in the second half of the year. And if we talk about the quarter that we are sitting in, quarter 3, we have to double our NSP of quarter 2 in quarter 3. So yes, it's a huge number and it's a huge ask. But I know with all you around and with the fearless and founder spirits that you all have, we are definitely going to do this. We are all in it together.
Being all in is the true Bacardi spirit. We are a family company, and as family members, it comes naturally to us to help and support each other. This is what makes Bacardi a great place to work. Coming months are full of challenges. We have tough business targets, and also the corona pandemic is still on. All the more important for all of us to embrace the spirit of being all in. Should we worry about the challenges? Absolutely not, because it's our culture and the Bacardi spirit which will help us to overcome the challenges and script a new better. Let's be all in.